My name is Brittny and I am one of the program managers for Child Protective Services and Protection and Preservation Services here in the Department of Family Services in Fairfax County. What I like most about my job is being able to guide practitioners and supervisors to achieve their goals, being able to ensure that we are providing services to families that will strengthen families and hopefully leave them in a better situation. Working for the Department of Family Services provides opportunities for growth and development. It provides opportunities to engage with the community, and it allows you to be able to make a difference.